All right, so we'll just keep an eye on, we'll just look at NQ. That's where I took my trade today. So we're on bar replay mode on the 5 minute here. As you can see, coming into market open, I had this yellow circle here and this yellow circle here. That was kind of the two trade ideas coming in today. Either I wanted to see price come up here, take this liquidity, and then come down to get this wick fill, take out all this low resistance liquidity, and this is my target. We actually had a volume imbalance here on the daily. We had just taken out prior weekly high and prior daily high up here. But yeah, so I was open to either, or else if we came down here and saw a strong reaction, I would just play for, as we are in such a strong bullish trend, play for continuation back up to London highs. So this is market open. So market open, we saw an immediate, we saw immediately right come down to this yellow circle I drawn in. So at this point, I just need to see how price is going to react. I will play off that. So we started seeing buyers come back in. And yeah, so kind of at this point here, we had displaced, because I was waiting for this candle here to be inverse. So we just such momentum here that I couldn't really find a place to get in on the trade. So I told myself a safer trade from here would be to wait for this to be inversed. Then I could, this is prior day's high, this black line. I could, depending on where the 5 minute candle formed, I could put my stop underneath this and then target London. So this is the candle. I put my stop right below here. My entry was right here as we did get this inversion. So one thing we didn't quite get, it's not a deal breaker because we did see such strong momentum, is if you take a look over here on ES, we never inversed the 5 minute on ES, but NQ was the stronger asset, so that's not really a deal breaker. So this was my entry, so now I'm in the trade. Target was actually just a little below all-time highs. We ended up coming up and taking prior week's high, and then we just saw weakness from there. It happens, you know. It was a well-calculated, thought-out trade, but you can't win them all. And the thing is, I'm just hesitant to fight the strong bullish momentum we have right now. Was I getting in a premium? Yeah, I was getting in kind of in premium, but we did see confirmation up here. And typically, and the fact that we were over prior day's high, and I could find a reasonable place to put a well-protected place to put my stop, I'm still happy with the trade. As it's the usual thing, market open, manipulation leg, seeing double inversion with a clear target in an overall bullish trend. Most of the time these trades will work. You know, today just wasn't one of them. The most important thing is I didn't revenge trade. I didn't get tilted. All the stuff that can turn what should be a 1 hour loss into a multiple hour loss and then a cascade into blowing an account. Just to keep, it's always a win when I follow my rules, keep my emotions in check. So yeah, overall red on the day, but followed all my rules. So that's green for me.